Tech Tips presents Using the Phishing Button.
In a world of digital deception, where danger lurks in every single inbox, one hero has the power to fight back. And guess what? That hero is you. Okay, let's be real. We've all been there. An email from the boss lands in your inbox. It's marked urgent. It feels a little off. Your heart starts pounding a bit, right? You're asking yourself, is this legit, or am I about to walk straight into a trap? So, this is your first test. You gotta know your enemy. On one side, you've got spam, just annoying junk mail. The threat level is super low, it's just clutter. What do? Easy, just delete it. But then, there's phishing. Now this is the real villain. It's a high-level threat, a trap designed to steal our data. And for that, deleting is not enough. Think about it. Just deleting a phishing email is kind of like watching a bad guy get away, only to know he's gonna go try the same trick on your coworker next. Nope, we can do way better than that. It is time to unleash your secret weapon, the Phish Alert button, or as we in the hero business like to call it, the PAB. It might just look like a little orange hook sitting in your toolbar, but believe me, it is so much more than that. This little button is your one-click power move to fight back and protect our entire organization.
So where do we find this phishing hook? Let's look. Sometimes it's hidden down in the right underneath the side panel. If we click on the side panel, it pulls it up and we can see here it is. To report an email as phishing, pick the email and then click the Phish Alert. Now we have some choices. Are you sure you want to report this as a phishing email? If this is spam, please try unsubscribing before reporting. So it explains what it is. You can even see sender details so that you can see if something's going on. Okay, wait, this is actually something I want. It's spam or junk, or it's phishing or suspicious. Write in your comment what you think about it. And then click Phish Alert. And that's how you use the hook.
Bam, success. The second you hit confirm, that nasty email gets automatically sent to our IT security team to analyze. And even better, it just vanishes from your inbox. The threat is neutralized. All thanks to you. So here's what you need to remember. This is your hero code. It's super simple, but so powerful. Stop, look, think. And if you have any doubt at all, report. And never, ever forget this. All the fancy security software in the world can only do so much. You, yes you, are our most important line of defense. That sharp eye of yours and that one little click on the orange hook protects every single one of us. Now go be a hero.